two superstars against one.
Oh, we don't need a reminder, Cole. Though I'm willing to bet that after this one, somebody's going to need to remind her on what their name is.
I'd like to point out just how focused these guys look here tonight.
They really do, Michael, which makes me think we're in for one heck of a match here tonight.
E oggi mi trovo in un luogo d'eccezione. Come ti sei permesso?
And I can't help but get the feeling that this is going to be one of those matches people will be talking about for a long time to come.
This is blatant, just mocking the rule book. He's on the defensive here. He's going to need to find a way to fire back.
The important thing is
guarda,
that he
adesso
doesn't
senti,
overreact
io
here.
me ne
He's
vado.
taking on a little bit of damage, but it's nothing he can't overcome.
What do you think Myers needs to do to be effective tonight? Tell us, what do you think we can anticipate seeing from him in this one?
This is one of those situations where if you're the one in the ring, you say it could be better, but it could also be a lot worse. There's a lot of time left.
Well, he's trained all his life to be here. It's either going to pay off or not. We'll see real soon.
Sì, ma non alzare le mani. Ascoltami.
He's not looking good here. This is not at all where he wants to be at this point in this handicap match.
Listen to this crowd. They can see this handicap match is starting to slip away from him here.
He hits the clothesline. This is what makes him so dangerous. How much more punishment needs to be dished out? Just finish it! This could very well be the beginning of the end for him here in this handicap match.
If he finds a way to rebound
Chiedi
from this
scusa
and
a
actually
tutti
win this
quelli
handicap
che
match,
seguono
I will
Andrea
be
Dipré per il
absolutely
sociale.
shocked.
Win or lose, he always seems to have so much pride in what he can do inside that ring. Unfortunately for him, though, it looks like he's going to...
Nobody comes back from this.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in. He's looking at it. A mammoth slam right there, guys.
Here's his moment, Michael.
He might have it. Gonna end it with a choke slam.
Just when you thought he had nothing left. Did you see the impact on that? Wow.
Se tu chiedi scusa, per me sei...
Jeez, that was embarrassing.
And Byron, he's still down after that one. That connected.
I think that was harder than the first time, Cole.
Ain't no stopping him now.
And that's the second time he's used that, guys.
And probably not the last.
Clearly looking to incapacitate his opponent here.
More like trying to send him to a local medical facility.
He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here. Gets him good.
I'm sensing a theme here, Cole.
Oh, and he lands it.
Really relying on that tonight.
Getting taken back to school. He thinks he has it. Oh, and again.
Hey, stick with what's working for you, right? Oh boy, he is rolling.
Swing and a miss.
That was strike 1, 2, and 3.
Going to be tough for him to fight back from this.
Well, the first thing he needs to do is get back to his feet, which is clearly easier said than done.
That'll have you worrying about long-term injuries for sure. Not going to win many matches with that move. And the big boot connects. He goes down hard.
Yeah, and he's not looking very good at this point, Cole.
Perhaps looking to make a statement here.
No doubt about it.
He's looking at it. There's no recovering from that.
That should do it.
Oh, clobbered by the steps.
That'll make you reassess some things.
He might just be out, guys.
I agree.
Second time now with those steps.
I wouldn't be surprised if he goes for a third shot with those steps before this one's done.
Few superstars are as dominant as this guy. And he hits a monstrous powerbomb. He wants it one more time. Incredible! This has to be it.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
He wants no part of the outside. He's in a tough spot here, Corey.
And if he doesn't get up, it's going to get a lot tougher.
Doing some more damage here.
Michael, that is so dangerous.
Again.
Hey, it seems to be working for him.
Showing very few signs of life here.
Yeah, there's no way he comes back from this. Might as well ring.
Oh, my God. He's not getting up.
You can't like his chances right now.
He's playing with him now. Going for it all here. Coming up big on that one.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are. Yeah, I'm pretty sure our table just shook a bit.
Huge slam right there.
Game, set, match. This one is over.
That slam just brought this entire arena to its feet.
His signature slam.
This one's over, guys.
This one's for good measure. Choke slam.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
That just echoed throughout this entire arena.
Whack.
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out? The pinfall.